performing a song called Everybody Wants to Rule the World from Despicable Me 4. I don't know if you guys have seen the movie Despicable Me 4, have you? Apparently, I saw it once, I don't know the whole plot, but apparently, in the movie, there's a talent show. And two people sing the same song. Well, guess what? We have someone later in the afternoon performing the same song. So it's crazy how life imitates art in that way. Please welcome to the stage Dwight Burgess and Catherine Winslow singing Everybody Wants to Rule the World.
Oh yeah! Welcome to your life.
There's no turning back.
Even while we sleep. Oh, come on!
Are you acting on your best behavior? On your best on my morning show.
Everybody wants to rule the world. It's my own design.
It's my only goal.
Help me to decide. Help me make the most of freedom and adventure. Nothing ever lasts forever. Everybody wants to rule the world. There's a room where the light can't find you. Hold your hand, learn the one who comes tumbling down. Do all the right
Behind you. So glad we almost made it. So sad they had to fade it.
everybody
Everybody wants to